the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Welcome back to my Halloween food series. Today we're going to be making spider web deviled eggs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are mayonnaise, mustard, ground black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, blue and green food coloring, and also eggs. Okay, to a pot of boiling water, we're going to add our eggs. I'm going to put them in gently. Once you added your eggs, we're going to put our lid back on top and we're going to boil them for 10 to 13 minutes. Once your eggs are done boiling, you want to get a bowl with cold water in it and add some ice. Next, we're going to add our eggs. Now allow your eggs to cool down for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove your eggs from the bowl and dry them. Next, we're going to take the back of a spoon and we're just going to hit it till we make cracks in it. And you're going to go around your whole egg like that. After you put cracks in your eggs, fill your bowl back up with water. We're going to put some blue food coloring in. And we're going to go ahead and mix that around. And we're going to add our eggs in. Now we're going to put the bowl of eggs into our refrigerator for 3 hours. Okay guys, it's been 3 hours, so now I'm going to remove the eggs from the water. Okay, now we can begin to peel them. Okay guys, so this is what they look like after they're peeled. So now we're going to go ahead and cut them into half. Once they're all cut into half, we're going to remove the yolks. Once the yolks are all removed, we're just going to go ahead and mash them. Okay guys, now to my eggs, I'm going to add some onion powder. Remember, you guys can add whatever you like to yours. Some garlic powder. Some black pepper, and also a little bit of paprika. Now I'm just going to take my fork and mix everything until it's well combined. Next, I'm going to add in my 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And I'm going to mix until well combined. And also guys, I added a teaspoon of mustard. So I'll mix that also until it's well combined. Now guys, you want to add a couple drops of the green food coloring. And mix. Okay guys, now I have a piping bag with a number 32 tip. I'm going to fill it up so we can fill our deviled eggs. Okay guys, my piping bag is filled. Now we're ready to fill our eggs. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our spider web deviled eggs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Happy Halloween.